Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the updated Wear OS app on your phone to start pairing a watch. Enable Bluetooth and location in your phone settings before beginning pairing. Tap Add a device, then choose your watch model from the list. Confirm the pairing code shown on both devices to complete the connection. Sign in with the same Google account used on your phone to sync data. Grant permissions for notifications, location, and calendar when requested. Open the app to customize watch faces, complication layouts, and shortcut tiles. Select watch faces, then choose a face and tap Customize to edit colors. Adjust complications to show step counts, battery percentage, or upcoming calendar events. Use tiles to add weather, heart rate, and commute cards for quick glances. Enable Do Not Disturb and Theater mode directly from the app for focused time. Set app notifications, filters so only important alerts appear on your wrist. Schedule automatic updates and battery optimization to extend watch life between charges. If pairing fails, restart your phone and watch, then retry the pairing process. Clear app cache or force stop the Wear OS app to resolve persistent errors. Check Play Store on your phone for app updates and on-watch firmware updates. Uninstall and reinstall the app only if other troubleshooting steps do not work. Sync problems often resolve by signing out and back into your Google account. For health data, enable Google Fit syncing and grant sensors permission in settings. Contact the watchmaker if hardware issues persist after software troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.